Well, here's the garden, and you can believe it, it's still producing, and today is October 1st. Let's go have a look. October 1st today, 82 degrees. Can you believe that here in West Michigan? Loving it, and so are the plants. Just check this out. Cucamelons. And look at this volunteer tomato that I let just grow. We've got cherry tomatoes. Woohoo! As well as more cayenne to harvest. More jalapeno to harvest. More Jimmy Nardello to harvest. More bell peppers coming on. More jalapeno peppers. Tabasco peppers. Still got okra. We've got kale, Swiss chard, we have plenty of carrots, and some holy basil that's gone to seed. The peas are starting to bloom. And of course, you know there's going to be more trombone squash to harvest. We're going to be harvesting these sweet potatoes, Beauregard sweet potatoes, if not tomorrow, really soon. I'll be doing a separate video on melon and squash, winter squash harvest. Why, what are you doing over there? Are you trying to find my tomatoes? Hi, big girl.
Hi.
What are you eating? What are you eating in our garden?
These little cracker thingies that have peanut butter inside.
They're so good, right? Not quite as good as yummy cherry tomatoes, but still good, right?
Yeah.
Why? What are you doing? Oh, cherry tomatoes?
Yeah.
Let me see if we can get some.
Ooh. Hurry up and be done with this. It's super hot.
I know it's 80 degrees.
What?
80 degrees today. It's the last day of September,
I know that.
and it's 80 degrees and sunny. Here you go, Wyatt.
I'm so dirty.
Oh, that's yummy, isn't it? Oh, you can throw it. You don't like the ones that are split. Okay. Still got tomatoes. Whoa. Be careful, buddy. All right, big girl, you see something?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a watermelon.
Where? Oh, yep, there it is. Sugar baby. Sugar baby watermelon. Okay. Okay, grab it. Grab it. Ooh, we're going to get it. Ooh, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Well, thanks for joining me, everybody. If you could, like, share, throw a comment down if you have any questions or advice, and please subscribe. You know, I'd really appreciate it if you found any enjoyment in these videos, or this video in particular. I'd appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. All right, you have a good day, have a great week, have a great month. October's here, and you know, bring on the donuts and the apple cider. Am I right? Oh yeah. All right, God bless everybody. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.